not to play. He should not be about when your mother is out. Why, we can have lots of good fun, if you wish, with a game that I call Up with a Fish. Look at me! Look at me! I'm the cat, with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat. Do I like this? Oh, no, I do not. See something new. I call them thing 1 and thing 2. They are tame. Oh, so tame. They have come here to play. No, not in the house.
Should the fish in the pie?
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not. Ready? Your mother is near. So as fast as you can, think of something to do. You will have to get rid of thing 1 and thing 2.
So as fast as I could, I went after my nets. I bet with my nets, I can get those things net.
Oh dear, you did not like our game. What a shame. What a shame. We cannot pick it up. There's no way at all. Have no fear of this mess.
Said the cat with the hat.
I only pick up my playthings, and so I will show you another trick that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us to.
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
Should we tell her about it? Now what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked